Hi, this is Charlene. I became a first-time mama at 42. I'm a licensed acupuncturist specializing in women's health and fertility. In my 18 years of practice, I've met with many couples struggling with infertility. Currently, there are over 6 million couples in the US with fertility issues. You are not alone, though I know it can feel like it. In my experience, most couples can conceive and have a healthy baby by properly addressing and identifying underlying issues first. In this video, I will give you tips for getting pregnant by showing you how to increase fertility, best fertility foods to eat, and one of the main causes of unexplained infertility. How to increase fertility. Act as if you are already pregnant. This means eliminate all alcohol and caffeine. Get 8 to 9 hours sleep a night. Be asleep between 8 and 9 p.m. to properly restore the adrenals and to benefit from powerful melatonin and antioxidant. Shut off the Wi-Fi router and remove all electronic devices from your bedroom when you are sleeping. Cut out all refined sugar. Follow a paleo-based diet that is nutrient-packed and eliminates a lot of the common allergens like wheat, dairy, and gluten. Start practicing restorative exercises versus extreme cardio type exercises. Get on a good practitioner-grade prenatal vitamin with folate. Take CoQ10, otherwise known as ubiquinol, to improve egg and sperm quality. Get tested for nutrient deficiencies and heavy metal toxicities. Get a full thyroid and hormone workup, which includes checking for thyroid antibodies. Practice breathwork or meditation to calm the mind and nervous system. Best fertility foods. Eat the rainbow by adding all colors of organic fruits and vegetables. Consume clean, organic, pastured, grass-fed, and grass-finished meats and poultry. Only eat non-mercury fish and wild if possible. Don't forget about nutrient-packed organ meats and bone broths. Think low glycemic, organic, pastured, and non-GMO. Drink plenty of water that has been properly filtered. Add a teaspoon of Himalayan salt to water to support your adrenals and to benefit from all the important trace minerals in the salt. Eat pastured organic eggs with rich golden yolks. Eliminate dairy because even organic dairy is full of hormones and insulin growth factors. Exceptions to that are organic, pastured ghee, and butter. Take a good quality probiotic and add fermented foods to your diet like sauerkraut or kimchi. Main causes of unexplained infertility. Sperm quality. Sperm quality has been declining dramatically in the last 40 years. A DNA fragmentation test will give you an accurate picture of the health of the sperm. Another culprit is poor quality eggs due to mitochondrial issues. Fortunately, both can be successfully addressed. Learn more about underlying causes of infertility and how to address them. Register for a free live webinar I am hosting at howtocureinfertility.info. Register now as space is limited at howtocureinfertility.info. Learn how to optimize your fertility and what to do if nothing is working. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. I read all comments, and thanks for watching. Once again, register at howtocureinfertility.info. Empower, educate, and take charge of your fertility.